Hi there, I am very excited to share with you my very first interactive PowerPoint. This is called What Do You Hear, and this is AAC adapted. So this barn contains farm animal sounds. The TV contains sounds that people make, and the cell phone contains sounds that other animals make or environmental sounds. So here it is. Here's a sample of it. So here you are going to see my pointer so that you know what I'm clicking. So here, let's click on the barn. And this will guide you through on what to click. So I'll click on that. And then I say, oh, what do you hear? Let's open it. Oh, let's open the barn. It's a cow. What do you hear? I hear a cow. All right, so I can either go to the arrow, or I can go to home. So this time let's go to home. And then I want to give you a sample of the sounds that people can make. So there's the sound. It's telling me to click on that one, so I'll click on that. What do you hear? Let's see what that is. What do you hear? Whoa! Alright, and then here are the AAC. So here is I hear and clapping, so I can use these pictures to guide my student on what to say. I hear clapping, and then either I go to the next sound or the next slide, or I go back to home. I want to give you a sample for other environmental sounds. So it goes like this. I will click on the musical note. And then click on the slide to unlock. I hear an ambulance. Yes, I hear an ambulance. All right, so that is it. There are 10 sounds for each activity. So I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you're able to use this one. If you have any questions, feel free to message them down below. I will also add the link to this file down below. So this is Miss Abney signing off. Till my next video. Bye.